Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the iMessage not working after updating your iPhone to iOS 26. First of all, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. iMessage requires either Wi-Fi or mobile data to work, so double check your connection. Next, open your settings app and scroll all the way down and tap on apps. After that, find messages and tap on it. Here, make sure iMessage is toggled on. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. Now, also check that your iMessage is correctly linked to your Apple ID and phone number. Inside the Messages settings, tap on Send and Receive. After that, make sure your Apple ID and phone number are selected. If iMessage still isn't working, go back to your main settings menu and tap on General. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure that Set Automatically is enabled. Incorrect date or time can sometimes cause iMessage to fail. Another fix you can try is to sign out of your Apple ID and then sign back in. To do this, go back to your main settings menu and tap on your name at the very top. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Sign Out. Then, sign back in with the same Apple ID and check if iMessage works. If nothing works, try restarting your iPhone or even performing a network reset. For that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on Reset and finally choose Reset Network Settings from the given options. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, so reconnect after the reset. And that's all. That's how you can fix iMessage not working after updating to iOS 26. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.